Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel Naija News and Entertainment, a #1 channel for entertainment news and celebrity gossip happening around. For first time viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when story drops. Still on the ultimate love reality TV show, pampering the ladies in the love part. Acting on Aunty's advice to do a little more around the love part, the men got up and bright early to do something special for their ladies. The girls never saw it coming. First, the men gave the kitchen and lounge a thorough scrubbing. Before long, they were cooking and having a fierce debate about how much bread or toast to serve. Another heated discussion erupted over whether to serve coffee or hot chocolate. It was clear they were taking every detail seriously and wanted it to turn out perfect. After the Jerry dished out the scrambled eggs and sausage, it was time to serve their lovers breakfast in bed. The reactions were priceless and the atmosphere was immediately elevated. Gentle back rubs and kisses were exchanged as everyone was left feeling thoroughly loved up. Kachi and Rosie in particular left their partners blushing and feeling flattered in this regard. The ladies of the love part were so moved by the gesture that they had a little chat afterward, taking turns to gush over the men who have stolen their hearts in a show of their gratitude. Abby said she's now completely in love, while Nkechi confessed that she has never had a man do such a thing for her. Rosie said she felt affirmed and realized Kachi actually listens to her and is attractive to her needs. Even the whole Twitterverse was in its feels. The men didn't stop there either, cleaning up the plate and doing the dishes afterward. In an interesting turn of events, Jerryton decided to head over to the dining room and have the table all to themselves. We wonder if that has something to do with Jerry being extra tidy. So guys, there you have it. Our men in the love part are beginning to loosen up and are showing their romantic side. So let me know what you think in the comment section. And please don't forget, if you're a new viewer, please subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell icon to get new notifications. Thank you.